Resistor. Hello everyone, so this is the end of week 6 of development on the Resistor game. I didn't do a video last week because basically I was making minor tweaks to the game and I didn't have very much graphically to show for the game, so I wanted to wait until I had a lot of new stuff to show to make a new video. So not much has changed to the title screen, but I'll go to the level select. And as you can probably notice, I've made a lot of changes to the level select screen. I added some background images and I got the ranks for each of the levels to show, and they're colored based on the rank value. And I have the scrolling up and down working on the level select screen, and as you scroll down you can see there's arrows that point up and down telling the user whether there are more levels to display that are higher or lower. So as you can see, I currently have 60 total levels now. One change that I made is if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and if you haven't completed the level, you can no longer select those levels that you haven't completed. So you have to complete the previous levels in order to play the higher levels. Another change that I added is if you press the back button, you can delete all your record data. This is because I believe in the Xbox indie games there's no way for you to control which device you can save to. So there's no way through the Xbox system menu to delete your data, so I wanted to give the player a way to reset all their data if they choose to do that. So I'm going to say no. So let's just select level 16 here. So as you can see, I have new background images for each stage. Level complete. And now whenever you complete a level, it will say new best if you achieved a rank higher than the previous rank for that category that you have completed in the past. So this gives the player a way to try to achieve the S rank for each of the category on multiple plays. So I got SSA that time, so I added a pause screen, eliminated the need to press the back button to go to the main menu. So from pause I can either go to resume, which goes back to the current stage, or quit will take you back to the main menu. But this caused quite a big problem in one of the ranks, in the time ranks, because previously whenever I calculated the time rank I was just using the start time of the stage, or the end time of the stage minus the start time. So whenever I added a pause, it didn't subtract off all the pause time that it had accumulated while the stage was being played. So I had to add a couple of new functions and a lot of new variables to track the amount of time that the stage was actually paused. Let me go ahead and complete this stage. One change you may notice is that there's now a layover, a grayed out effect whenever you use a resistor. Level complete. And that fades away as the cooldown for the resistor expires. So as you can see on this stage, I got an SS and a C, so the two S's were two new records as far as rank goes. It doesn't actually keep track of the values, such as the number of pieces used, so you may actually get a lower number of pieces used, but not get a new best, because you may get the same rank. So it's only, the new best is only based on rank. So let me go back to 1.6 and let me see if I can get an S rank in time this time. I think I messed that one up. Level complete. So I went through and played these levels multiple times, like 4 or 5 times, and tried to get the highest, the best ranks for all of these. And you can see here I did get the all S rank. So if you get 3 S ranks at one time, then I get what I call the star rank. So that means you achieved all S ranks at the same time, because you could go back and just try to target like a best time and not go for the best luminosity or pieces, and you can actually end up with 3 S's, but that doesn't show the player that they achieved all 3 S's at the same time. So for this level 1-6, I did get all 3 S's at once. So I'm going to go back to level select. So on this screen you can see that I have the star for level 1-6. So let me play 1.7 again and see if I can get a best time without getting best pieces.
Level complete.
So I got I got an S rank in time, but I didn't get a best rank in pieces. So go back and level select. So you can see on level 1.7 I got all S ranks, but I didn't get the star because I didn't achieve all 3 S ranks at the same time. So I did play through all of these levels multiple times and ensured, at least on the PC version, that it is possible to get all 3 S's at the same time. I may need to go back and double check that on the Xbox. I think it should be the same there. So I'll go through here and look at some of the later stages. So for like level 2, I got a reddish background. So I tried to make the background colors correspond with the highest level resistor for that stage.
Game over.
So I did add some new images for the game over screen. It's still pretty simplistic. And for each 10 stages, I have a new background image.
Level complete.
For the 4 stages, I may have to go back and modify the yellow color because it can make some of the values on the game over screen difficult to see.
Level complete.
So some of the numbers are sort of hard to see, so I might have to go and darken the yellow color a little bit. And also need to center those column headers on the level select screen so they appeared centered over the rank values. Let's just pick this one. Yeah, I may need to go back and make that green color a little bit darker because it's awfully bright.
Level complete.
So I got the star rank for that level. And finally, let me pick a stage out of level 6. I haven't set the rank values for the level 6 stages yet, and that's why they all show up as C, so I'll do that in the near future. I should have went the other way.
Level complete.
So thanks to everyone for watching this week's update.